What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This video is actually filmed the same day as the last video, but we are ready to get this engine into the car. Two things left to do: motor mounts, clutch flywheel. Once those two things are done, everything can go back into the car, and we can get the motor mount nuts on and start getting everything buttoned up on the engine bay side. And then we have a few new surprises to throw onto the car to be able to get it to run. So we need to get this engine turned upside down, we need to get the motor mounts on, and then from there pull it off the stand for the first time in a couple months. Clutch flywheel back in the car. We're going to use some red Loctite on these bolts. You don't want these ones backing out. These would cause you a big problem, having to pull your engine again and or your trans. So this guy here is what's going to help us install the clutch without having to put a breaker bar on like the crank bolt on the front or anything like that to stop this from moving. This guy just sits right in here and locks in just like that. So we need to get the flywheel moved over just a little bit and then get this guy installed. And that there should help us install this clutch. But first, let's get this cleaned up with a bunch of brake clean. Alright, before we go ahead and put this pressure plate on, let's get this guy cleaned up. Bunch of brake clean. Nice towels. Let's say if there's ever a time that I wanted a shop, it would probably be now. Alright everybody, there we have it. We now have the EJ, the fully built EJ, installed into the car. We are kind of close to done, but also kind of not. So we have cooling system, all the accessories, power steering, alternator, AC. Then from there, fuel system, turbo, intercooler setup, and then we should be ready to hit the key. Still have a little bit of work to do, not a whole ton, but it looks really good. Finally back in the car instead of sitting over there in that corner. So now with this progress made, all the motor mounts on and everything, now it's just on to plumbing lines, making sure everything fits, works, running the whole PCV system, all the breathers, everything like that. So from here it's just a lot of plumbing, then fuel system, nice big old turbo there, front mount here, cooling system, and it's game on. But we just got a whole ton of work done, and I think I'm gonna call it quits right here. Got a lot of cleaning up to do, got a lot of things to throw away. But with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you sticking around and watching this video. It means the world to me, and I couldn't do it without all of you guys. So I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna wrap it up right here, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.